Hi guys, welcome to CAD with me. Today I'm going to talk with you about AutoCAD 3D basics. Okay. Heavy go. First of all, turn on grid mode. Shortcut key F7, we are in 3D platform. Now switch to 2D platform. Okay. Let's move again 3D platform. Usually we mostly work with Home tab. Okay. First we have to change units. Therefore I type units and press enter key. Choose architectural as the type. And precision as 0 feet 0 inches. Then inches as the unit type. Then we want line command. For that I'm typing L and press enter as a shortcut key. You don't need to type whole word of line.
Okay, now let's start to draw. Click the mouse. Which point do you want to start the line?
You can see, line can move anywhere, therefore I turn on ortho mode, shortcut F8, then we can move only vertical and horizontal only. You can get line command by type L and press enter, then you have to drag the cursor somewhat along the direction you want, then you can type the length you want and press enter. To get same height of the other side line, you can move the cursor to other end and, you can see green square, then again move the cursor to end point, you can see green line and easy to build line. Then you can join the line to end point, to end the command press enter. Then get circle command and click the mouse what you want to make center. Then type radius and press enter. Oh, I forgot to enter units. Don't forget to enter units feet or inches. You can type CI and press enter to active the circle command. Then I want to copy, I type CO and press enter, then select object, and give base point.
Then click the base point and drag the object to essential point and release the mouse.
To end the command press ESC on keyboard. Select all lines. Then type join and press enter. You can see now the lines came to one object guys. Now I change the view top to SE isometric. Then I type EXT and press enter to active extrude command, select the object and right click. Then give the height and press enter. Repress the enter key and then you can active the previous command again, then I build circles also with same procedure. Use orbit command to view the all side of the drawing. Then I change the drawing from 2D wireframe to realistic.
Okay, This is the end of today lesson. Try to practice hard and be an expert in AutoCAD. For more lessons subscribe us. Goodbye guys. See you soon.